First you got to identify where the hole is.
Just push it.
Push it in. Push it in. Use the handle. And work it back and forth.
Like this?
Yep. Alright, pull it out. And then grab this tool. Right there. And you need to do one of these. Grab it. Pull it out. Feed it through. Feed it halfway through. Once it's about halfway, push it through the hole, not all the way. Push it through, don't turn it, just keep it straight. There. Grab the handle, twist it around, and pull the handle out. Pull it up. Pull it. You just plug the tire. Fill it with air, and you're good to go. Check the tire.